Hey everyone, want to install FileZilla on your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to install FileZilla step by step. Yeah, whether you're managing websites, transferring files to a server, or learning FTP for the first time, this guide will help you get FileZilla up and running quickly. First, open your web browser and visit the official FileZilla website. Go to the download section and choose the FileZilla client version that's compatible with your operating system. Make sure you download it from the official website to get the latest and safest version. Once the installer has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the FileZilla installer. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, click Yes or Allow to continue. Next, follow the installation wizard. Read the license agreement, choose whether to install for the current user or all users, and continue with the default options unless you have a specific preference. You know, the default settings work well for most users. Choose the installation location if you want to customize it, or leave the default folder selected. Then click Install and wait while FileZilla is copied to your computer. When the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. You can launch FileZilla immediately or open it later from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. The first time you open FileZilla, you may see a welcome screen or update notification. It's a good idea to review these messages before connecting to your server. Once FileZilla opens, you're ready to enter your FTP, FTPS, or SFTP connection details and start transferring files between your computer and your server. And that's how you install FileZilla. With the software successfully installed, you can securely manage and transfer files for your websites and servers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.